Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Shara here with another video. All right, so I'm headed to get my hair done. I haven't got my hair done in a long time by someone, a professional. So I'm so excited because I need my ends clipped. They are bad. They're in bad shape. So yeah, I've never been to this lady before, and I'm headed there now. I of course running late, which I hate to be. I'm gonna get a half up, half down. That's the look I'm gonna get. And I bought some hair. All right, so this is the hair, 24 inches, doing the wavy look today, curly wavy. So I'm gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna get a steam. I'm gonna get my ends trimmed, and then I'm gonna get the half up, half down with the hair, curly hair, 24 inches. So yes, you know, I just been doing my own hair, my little styles that I do at home, but I need a professional to put their hands on this once every so often, you know. You guys, I still got my Halloween nails, still rocking these. So I have an appointment to get my nails done in 2 days. So yeah, so I'm just focusing on my hair today, and then Friday I'll be able to get my nails done, and I'm excited about that because I'm going to a new girl. I'm also going to this lady is the first time I've been to this hairstylist as well. So I'm trying new people. It's a nice fall day today. I'm loving it. It's beautiful out. It is 57 degrees. It feels nice. The sun's out. I tried to do a little fall look, and I'm about to pull up in the parking lot. So definitely, hopefully I'll come out a better looking me, okay? Okay, that's what I got on. My Vans. All right, going in. Okay. All right, y'all, I have been slayed. She went a little high with the pony, but I don't mind it. I think it's really cute. I like it. Cute little up, half down. What y'all think? What y'all think? I had put a little bit of makeup on before I left the house. I didn't do no lashes. No, I didn't. But so yeah, I got slayed today, hair-wise. And I gotta go back to work just for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys shortly. Let me know if this little spot over here gets hot. Oh, okay. Ignore me, I just be vlogging. Oh. You do. Okay. No truck? Oh shoot, I got one. This is my first truck too. Really? Yeah, I love it. I'll never go back. I was about to say, do you like it? Oh yeah. Yes. So I got a sign.
So what you'll actually do
Okay.
Because I'm gonna you have my Instagram. But yeah, DM me, text
Yes.
me, either or will work. Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. She gave us candy. Yeah. All right. I'm all done, guys. I like them. Cute, huh? Y'all like them? Okay, the vlog gonna be all over the place, y'all. I'm sorry. But I finally got some work done that I needed to do. I was gonna take some IG pictures, but I'm not really feeling the vibe. So I can finally like do some shopping, take back some things that I needed to take back. I also might run to Sephora or Ulta. All right, y'all, so that's what's on the schedule. So this is the look. I got on my sweater. I put on a sweater so I can look a little more fall and put together. So I got my sweater, my leggings, can't really see them, but my leggings, and I got my boots on. So that's the look. And I'm gonna wear my tail-fur bag. So yep, it's such a nice day today too. A nice fall day out. All right, y'all, in the car. I forgot that I needed a car wash. So I'm thinking I'm gonna stop and get a car wash first and foremost because it's been a while since I got one. And I get like, I pay monthly for my car washes and I don't use them very often. So it's like, why keep paying if I'm not gonna use them? So I'm thinking about canceling it because I really don't come like I need to, but I definitely need to use it today. So I probably just need to start getting over here more. So I'm gonna get a car wash first. Yeah. Can you untwist my antenna? Yeah. You just twist the top, the regular stick part.
Yeah, so if you just keep a little wrench in your car. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, a little more force.
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. She took my antenna off for me. That was nice. All right, going through. Get me together. Heated paint prep. Oh. Oh. Okay, y'all, why did it just start raining after I got a car wash? I don't even care because it needed it really bad, but that was kind of crazy that it just started raining, but not really bad, but still, you know, like a little fall rain. I'm gonna go to Sephora real quick and pick up a couple things there because I've been procrastinating getting some more makeup and I've just been making it work for a while, but I really need to get some things, so. Look that GoPro in, that's just a mess. Hi. Oh, good. How are you? Oh, nice to meet you. Hold on, y'all. This dude trying to holler at me. What'd you say? What'd you say your name was? Eddie.
I know this is a bit unusual, but my name is Eddie.
Hello, Eddie.
And I saw you walking and I wanted to make a little pit stop.
All right, y'all. Some guy was trying to holler at me. Ooh, the door is locked. Oh, okay, there we go. He said he worked for the train station. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, he said he worked at the train station. So he's trying to be a sugar daddy, y'all. Sugar daddy. These are cute for the fall. I like that. I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm at the mall, so I'm gonna go to Sephora in here real quick and see what they got going on. You already got Christmas stuff up. Mac, going in. They got the little gift sets you can get already out for Christmas. I was really interested and looking for this Tom Ford perfume. I was thinking about looking for that. That stank. Y'all, that stank. I'm serious. Okay, now this is the Tom Ford that I was looking for. I'm not sure which one it is. I don't think it's this one. I think it's this Lost Cherry. I think that might be it. So yeah, I've been wanting to smell that one. I've heard about it. If you guys have heard about the Lost Cherry, let me know. I guess I'm gonna smell it. Lost Cherry. It's giving off a cherry smell for sure. I don't know. I have to let it soak in so I can see how it smells after it dries down a little bit. But interesting. I've heard good things about the Lost Cherry, but not too sure if I'm gonna purchase it yet. Oh, this is Gwen Stefani's line. Cute. Fenty. J-Lo, what's going on here? Oh, this is Fenty Skin, y'all. I've been wanting to try Fenty Skin since it came out, and my Sephora didn't get it for a while, so they have it here now. So I'm thinking about getting the Fenty Skin and seeing how that does for my skin. So she has the cookies and cream. Oh, that's a mask. Oh, maybe I'll try that. Oh, look at this. Now that's another cherry item. The cherry tree. Oh, that's a conditioning lip oil. Okay. Could probably go on at bedtime maybe. And then they have the fat water. So yeah, I've been trying to try this. Have you guys tried Fenty Skin before? Let me know. Done, guys. On my way out. All right, y'all. Out the mall. It's like super windy right now. Y'all, it was like guys really trying to holler today. Like, what's going on? I had to get out of there. I'm not even playing. Guys was acting really thirsty today at the mall. I never seen such thirst as today. But anyways, I want to tell you guys what I got from Sephora. So these are the items that I got from Sephora. I hope I'm not too loud because I just realized I'm on my AirPods. So hopefully you guys can hear me. But anyways, I got that Fenty Skin. Now this is the starter set. So instead of buying piece by piece, I said, well, let me just try the starter set, see how it goes. So yeah, so this are all the things that comes with on the back. Yeah, so that's nice. So I'm hoping that I'll like that, and I'll let you guys know maybe in a future video how this goes. If you guys have tried Fenty Skin, let me know how you guys liked it. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know if you want to see that as well. Okay. And then I got, I got the Better Than Sex mascara that's waterproof. And this is the first time that I bought the waterproof kind, because I usually get the pink one, which is, I guess, is not waterproof. I didn't really ever pay that any attention, but this is the first time I'm trying this one. So I want to see how this one works out for me. I also got another item from Fenty Skin. So this is the detox mask called Cookies and Cream. yeah. So I wanted to try that out. So this would be more like on deep cleaning days, you know, when you're gonna deep clean your pores and things like that. So I want to try that out as well. So yeah, that might be part of my review if I do a review on the Fenty Skin. Okay, and then I got this Better Than Sex chocolate eyeliner, liquid liner. Now I've always asked for a brown liquid liner, and I've never seen one. It's from Better Than Sex ever, so this has to be new because I've never seen this. And then I've tried a couple brown liquid liners, but they're not really pigmented like I need them to be. So I did this at the you know, but that's how it looks. So I'm hoping like for day wear, just to see how this is for day wear pretty much. So you know, you can do the black at night and maybe the chocolate will be for the daytime. So yeah, I'm gonna try that one out. And then the last thing I got is the classic for me, the Anastasia Brow Definer. And I usually go back and forth with the Brow Wiz and the Brow Definer, but I like these. You know, it's like something you kind of, it's essential really if you do your brows. And I have a dupe though that I've been using from Target that's pretty nice. And I would call it a dupe for the Brow Wiz because it's really thin. So that's what I use today. And that one's pretty cheap. It's at Target, but I can't remember what the name is. But you know, it's nothing like the real thing. So I just got this one just to have this. And that's all I got. So I was gonna get a couple more makeup items, but when I seen that Fenty Skin, I'm like, oh, I want to try this, and I'll be all right with my makeup for a while, the things I already have. And then I wanted to try that Tom Ford perfume. It is so windy outside, y'all. Y'all wouldn't even believe it. Like the car is shaking. But anyways, I wanted to try that Tom Ford perfume. So I did spray it on. I did the floral one, which was in that little travel size container. And then I did that Lost Cherry. So I just wanted to let them dry down before I purchased them, because they're kind of pricey, and you know, you want to see how they do throughout the day before you purchase it. So yeah, the Lost Cherry is giving that cherry smell, and that floral one, I think that's the one I'm probably leaning towards more. So yeah, so I'm gonna see how I like those, and before I make those purchases. But yeah, that's the end of my maintenance vlog / shop with me vlog. So you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel for more vlogs and things and videos that you might want to see. You can always comment. And make sure you guys make sure you guys watch my fashion haul that hopefully is posted already from Fashion Nova. It's a fall haul. And like the video if you like the video, and I want to thank you guys again for watching. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. All right.